Pronunciation of English vowel sounds. Lesson 4. Central Vowels. Part 2. Exercise 1. Answer the questions. 1. Say cup and cap. For which vowel sound are your lips more spread? Your lips should be more spread for the a in cap. The a in cap is a front vowel. The in cup is a central vowel. 2. Say cut and coat. For which vowel sound are your lips more rounded? Your lips should be more rounded for the O in coat. Coat has the O sound, a back vowel. Cut has the sound, a central vowel. 3. Say sir and saw. For which vowel sound is your mouth more open? Your mouth should be more open for the aw in saw. That's a back vowel and a low vowel. Is central and very high. Sir, saw. 4. Say luck and lock. For which vowel sound is your mouth more open? Your mouth should be more open for the ah and lock. Both these words have central vowel sounds, but in luck is a mid vowel, and in lock is a low vowel. Luck, lock. 5. Say hurt and hut. For which vowel sound is your mouth more tense and your lips are more rounded? Your mouth should be more tense for the in hurt. Is a long and more tense sound. Is short and relaxed. Hurt, hut. I mentioned that not all teachers agree on what the central vowels are. We also don't always agree over this symbol, Should we include it in our list of vowel sounds or not? Some books do, some books don't. I think it's helpful to include in our list of vowel sounds. It helps you remember that the letter R can be pronounced two different ways, at least in American English. The letter R can be pronounced like a consonant, as in the word run, run, r. The letter R can also be pronounced as a vowel sound, as in the word fur. If you see this as a vowel sound and you recognize the symbol as it will help you understand how Americans produce other combinations, vowels followed by R, vowel sounds followed by this, For example, the word here. Some people use this symbol, here. I've also seen it written this way, with ear, here. If you see it with these two symbols, you can understand that we're joining, we're putting together two vowel sounds, The first one is longer and louder, and then we glide into ear, ear, here, here. We can take other vowel sounds and also follow it by Let's practice doing that. Let's practice what some people call R-colored vowels. Exercise 2. Practice vowel plus R combinations. Listen and repeat. Let's practice the combination I showed you just a moment ago. Ear as in here. I mentioned it's also common to see this with a short I. I'm going to have you practice the long E so you can better feel how we glide from one vowel sound into the So say with me, E, the high, long vowel sound, E. And now, E, Make the first vowel sound longer. E, Now glide from E into You glide with a bit of a Y sound. Y. Ear. Let's practice that sound in words. Repeat after me. Here. Dear. Mere. Peer. Now let's practice the combination air as in hair. We're combining and Say er. Er. Now glide. Air. Air. Try this sound in words. Listen and repeat. Hair. Care. Where. There. The next combination is R, as in car. Not all speakers in the U.S. say this combination. Many in New England say ka instead of car. I say this R sound. Practice with me. Ah, Now glide. R. R. Practice the sound in words. Listen and repeat. Car. Guard. Far. Park. Now let's practice the combination as in sure. You may also hear the pronunciation sure, which is even more informal. But let's work with You're combining and Say Now glide. Oor. This is a less common combination, so we'll just practice with 2 words. Sure. Cure. We might talk about a sure cure. The last combination we'll practice in this lesson is or, as in for. We're combining aw and Say with me, aw, Now glide. R. R. Or. Practice this sound in words. Say with me, for, door, store, war. Let's do a review of our 3 central vowel sounds. Er, ah, ah, ah. Now let's say our key words. Fur, cup, pot, Remember, and are very long sounds. Is short. Is probably the most tense sound in this group. Not so much that our lips are tense, they are rounded, but our tongue has some tension. And are more relaxed sounds. One last time. Ah. While making this lesson, I found it helpful to look at these sources. I think you'll find them helpful too. Additional practice for this lesson is available at EnglishCafe.com. Follow the direct link listed in the video description. That's all for this lesson. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching and happy studies!